Okay guys, welcome to Extraordinary Vlog channel. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make my favorite snack, popcorn. I'm not going to use a microwave because first of all, I don't have one. And secondly, microwave popcorn tastes a little bit like cardboard. Don't you think? So instead, I'm going to use the stovetop method with some oil. But instead of using regular pot, I'm going to use a pressure cooker. The reason that I use a pressure cooker is because it has a really thick bottom, so the heat would be distributed evenly, which prevents the oil and the kernels from burning. Let's start with the ingredients. You need about a half cup or 100 grams of popcorn kernels. Next, you need some cooking oil. You can just use about any kind of cooking oil, but make sure the cooking oil has a pretty high smoke point. And here I use palm oil. Last but not least, you need some salt. First up, you add the oil in the pot. Pour the oil in there so that there is just about enough to cover the bottom, so that when you throw the popcorn in there, the popcorn kernels in there, the kernels will be dipped about halfway. By the way guys, I really like to use this particular pressure cooker because it has a unique lid design. You can close the lid halfway like that, so the popping kernels will stay inside, but it also lets all the steam to escape so that the popcorn will be crispy and not soggy. Now the secret to making popcorn perfectly is not to put in the kernels until the oil is hot enough. Because if you do that, a lot of the times you end up with a lot of burned kernels and unpopped kernels. So how do we know that the oil is hot enough? Well, you can put in a few kernels, like 2 or 3 kernels in there first. Next, we turn on the burner to medium heat and we wait for them to pop. We can call these tester kernels, if you will. When these tester kernels pop, we know that the oil is in there is hot enough. While we wait for the tester kernels to pop, we can add some salt in there. Oops, I might have put too much salt in there, guys. So I'm gonna stir all the salt in there to make sure that they are evenly mixed with the kernels. Let's shake the pot a little bit. And turn up the heat a little more. There you go, guys. Did you hear that popping sound? Well, the tester kernels has popped, which means that the oil is hot enough. Now we need to turn off the burner and let's throw the rest of the kernels in there. Did you guys see that popcorn flying? Let's close the lid halfway again. And now we wait for about 30 seconds or so before we turn on the burner again and shake the pot to make sure that all the kernels are coated with the hot oil. Okay, 30 seconds have passed and it's time to turn on the burner again to medium or high setting. And all we have to do right now is to wait for all the kernels to pop. kernels are popping, guys. Don't you love that clattering sound of popcorn kernels popping? Do you like popcorn? I do, because they pop. Pop, 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 pop. You know, like the movie It. Well, the popping sound has slowed down, guys, which means that it's time to turn off the burner and let's take a look inside. Look at that, guys. Nicely popped popcorn, and there is hardly any unpopped kernels. I'm gonna go ahead and taste this. This is really good. Awesome. Amazing. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching.